back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get this look using no foundation. You can skip the lashes if you want to. Instead of that, you can just use a mascara and you're good to go. During this weather, it is so hot outside that it's better not to use foundations at all, because foundation can be very heavy on your face and you tend to sweat, feel sticky, oily and whatnot. All the products will be mentioned in the description box, so do check them out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and get notified whenever there's a new video. And don't forget to follow me on social media. So let's get started. So this is my new makeup routine and this look is very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. That's it for today's video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Toodles! If you want, you can skip the lashes. During this weather, it is so hot outside that it's better not to use foundation at all because bullets. So this is my new makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it and find it really helpful. I'll see you in my next video.